Hello guys, welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video we are going to learn how to hide our status bar and action bar in our Android app. So let's get started with today's video. This is useful for the splash screen that you create, or if you want to see the image in the full screen, means there will be no status bar, no action bar. So let's get started with today's video, but I recommend you to watch our previous series of the image to text scanner, where we had converted image to an text view, and then we had also created the we had also created the wallpaper app using Pixels API, where we had captured the HD images into our recycler view, and we had also created a website into an Android app. So you can watch all that series to learn more Android tutorials. So let's get started with today's video. So first of all, to hide our action bar and status bar, there are two methods for hiding our action bar. So the first method is manually. So all two methods are manually only. So we have to redirect to the values folder and try to find theme, and in that we have to write no action bar. So this will hide our no action bar. So this will hide our action bar, but it will be not shown in our other activities. Means if we have 5 to 6 activities, then we are not going to see the action bar in all these activity. So this is not the good thing. So we are going to see it in the particular activity. So first of all, we have to convert that into dark action bar, and after that, so this generates an error. So let me check what is the error. So here is our dark action bar. Now to hide it manually, we have to go to the activity where we want to hide our action bar, and if you had created the new action bar, then you can write set support action bar. So here I am writing toolbar. So toolbar is equal to new toolbar, and pass the context is and closed it. So here we have created toolbar. Now get support action bar. You have to replace this new toolbar with your ID that you will assign in your toolbar, and then write get support action bar and pass this toolbar. So get support action bar not, but set support action bar. So we have to write set support action bar, and then here we have to write toolbar. So this will be completed if you are writing no action bar and then creating toolbar manually. But if you are not creating this toolbar, then you have to learn how to hide that automatic. So write get support action bar dot hide. So this will hide our action bar in this main activity only. Remember, if we create new activity, then there the status action bar will be remember. So this is the tutorial of converting the hiding the action bar in Android Studio. So now let's run, or let's see how to hide status bar in Android Studio. So to hide the status bar, we have to implement one code. That code name is get window, and then we have to write dot set flex, and then here we have to write two parameters. So I am telling you which are the two parameters. So write window manager. So here window manager dot layout frames dot full screen. So this is the first parameter, and second parameter is the same. So window manager dot layout frames dot flag full screen. So by this code we are going to hide our status bar, and if you want to make a status bar hidden and action bar to be shown, then you have to erase this line of code. So when you erase this line of code, you will see only status bar, but when you want to show the status bar and remove that status bar, so you have to remove this line of code. This will remove the status bar. So in short, our code to change or hide our action bar is by twice. First is do the changes here to our main theme from dark action bar to no action bar, or we can use in activity. So first let me change here dark action bar. After that we have to change, if you want to change in the main activity or a particular activity, then you have to click on the onCreate method of that activity and write this line of code, get support action bar dot hide. So this will remove the action bar in your Android application. But if you want to remove that status bar also, then you have to write this line of code, that is get window dot set flags, and then write window manager dot layout frames dot flag full screen, and then write the same code again. So window manager dot class node layout frames dot flag full screen. So this will remove our status bar from our Android application. So this was the Android tutorials on the hiding of the action bar and status bar. Thanks for watching our Android tutorial, and if you are interested in that all three apps, that is ready made, and you will also find the source code of that applications in their description. So you can check it out. You will find the link in the I button, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Android Tutorials to watch more. Thanks for watching Android Tutorials.